In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text color in Adobe Express. If you want to refresh the look of your design, changing the text color is one of the quickest and most effective edits you can make. Adobe Express makes this process very simple, and once you know where the color controls are, you can update your text in just a few clicks. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're inside the design where the text already exists, so you can preview the changes as you make them. This is helpful because text color can look very different depending on the background images or other design elements around it. Next, select the text box that contains the text you want to recolor. It's important to click directly on the text box so Adobe Express knows exactly which element you want to edit. Once the text box is selected, the editing options for that text will become available. Now look over to the text editing panel on the left side of the screen. In that panel, find the text color swatch and click on it. As soon as you do, a color picker will appear. This is where you can choose the new color for your text. You'll usually see a set of preset color swatches first. These are great if you want a quick option and don't need to fine-tune the shade. Just click any preset color to apply it to your selected text. This is often the fastest way to test different looks and see what works best in your design. If you want more control, click the Custom tab in the color picker. From there, you can choose a different color more precisely. This is useful when you're trying to match a brand color, create a specific mood, or make the text stand out more clearly against the background. You may also have the option to add your own colors for a gradient, which can give your text a more dynamic and stylized appearance. As you try different colors, keep readability in mind. A color may look attractive on its own, but the most important thing is making sure the text is still easy to read within the design. And that's it. Once you choose your new color, your text updates right away. That's how to change text color in Adobe Express.